Guys, if you are anything like me and you live in Florida and you don't have a garage and the beach is just on the other side of that building right there, you know what salt can do to your car. You also know what the Florida sun rays can do to your car. Not to mention, when it rains every 5 minutes, see these bright blue skies? It just got done raining. Yeah, Florida's a crazy place. So guys, it's pretty apparent my car paint is crap. What I am worried about is not my paint, but the salt that comes from the ocean just on the other side of that building. It causes surface rust, any little nick, it'll pick at. So my goal is to get a car cover to put over this so I run into less surface rust. So what do y'all think? Yeah, I think it'll work. So fast forward, after doing some research, I went to a place that's here called Ollies. I don't know if they have Ollies all over, but I do know it's a Florida thing because it's on the other side of Florida as well as over here. So I went to Ollies and I passed by, and you've probably seen this brand before, the Simoniz. This guy is like a spaz. Okay, but Simoniz, they seem to have pretty good products. This one says it has the elastic hem, it's UV treated, water repellent, and it has a patch for your antenna. Which, I don't really care about that, but whatever. I got the XXL to fit longer because I want it to go down further on my wheels to kind of help with the brakes. The material feels from what I can tell. I think that's just a bag, I don't know, but I got to get it open. But it was $25. Guys, to my surprise, that is just a bag. I thought the cup cover was going to be that, but it's got a nice little pull string bag. Alright, so guys, it does look like it's going to be the same material or close to it, which now that I feel it here, it doesn't feel terrible, but it's like I said, I don't know what I expected, but it doesn't feel like it would scratch the car. It's in a vacuum sealed bag, so I got to get this cut open. So guys, there it is over the car. Goes down good enough, I guess. I'm going to pull this side back here just a little bit more down because I have room up here to adjust stuff. The elastic goes under the front bumper. I have tie-offs that I can use, so I'm going to use that. Kind of goes up over the spoiler just fine. So all in all, for $25, I'm pretty happy with it right now. It does have a weird thing where you're supposed to pass the antenna and it gives you a little patch, but the patch is not sticky, it's not anything, it's just a little piece of silver, and there's no sticky side, it didn't come with glue, anything like that, so I'm not real for sure what you're supposed to do with that. But it does come with rope, and then it's got these things right here for an antenna pass through also. So that's what I'm going to use right there. I don't know what the little patch is for though. So guys, all you do is peel the bottom off, you bring it down. I just push the antenna through this and then you bring it down, and that's to reinforce where it's at right here. So a little bit more adjusting, and I'll be good to call it a day. On this side, I got an old dampener, sorry, and I got this little wire thing just jimmied up where the wind's not going to pull it out. I'll tie that to this side, and it's going to be something where when I want to undo it, it's just a fast takeoff. The other side, I might use this, I don't know yet. On the passenger side, I got the balancer, and I just got it tied to the wire there. On this side, I'm gonna, oh, surprise, surprise, another balancer. So you see this groove right here? We'll put this through the bottom like this, flip it over, pull that through, And now I have another weight that I can use on the passenger side. I'll be done. It's one of these things that if I need it done in a hurry, I can push this to the other side like that and just slide the rope off rather than untying it. Process on the driver's side. I just got a bottle cap. This is actually a cap that came on my pressure washer. Just a hose block, but you can use a bottle cap. Just put a hole through it so it won't pull through the actual toggle hole on the cover. So if you look here, you want to make sure you can put the string through the back side and it won't go through that hole right there. So just like that, my bottle cap's on the back side. It's not going anywhere. Now I can tie it to my weight and I'm done. Now guys, even with the XXL, you can see this side is higher than the other side. Most people would want to even, but this is the side exposed to the salt, and this is the side where the surface rust starts first. So I want it to block that. I don't really care about this side being as high, but now it's not going to go anywhere. If it blows this away, it's probably a hurricane and we probably shouldn't be here anyway. But that's all there is, you know, a little adjusting here and there. Kind of like this little section, how it's got this slit, it kind of opens up for the spoiler. Seems to be done right. I have no complaints for. Seems to be all good. I have no complaints for the price. Only downfalls, like I said, there is no instructions, so you got to figure out the patch. After I figured it out, I felt like a dummy because it was actually pretty simple. The elastic, I wish was more adjustable, and then I wish, you know, I wish it was just a little bit wider so it would cover, but that's just being picky. For a $25 cover that's UV and water resistant and all that good stuff, I'm happy with it. What do y'all think? $25 worth it? It's just a small little token of protection. Anything I can do, you know, it'll all add up and, you know, just protect the car longer.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 60 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 60 bars. I won't turn around, I won't turn around. No matter how far I go, I'll never come back.